Hastings and Hightower were 2 of 5 teams with 1 loss in District 23 6A. Pick it up in the first quarter. Hightower driving, but the pass is tipped and intercepted by Hastings' Steve Fisher at the 18. But Hightower's defense responds. On the Hastings pass, this one is intercepted by Hightower. It's Keith Roberts, and he'll take it all the way back for the Hurricane touchdown. It's a pick 6, 35 yards, and 7-0. Hightower goes up. In the second quarter, Hastings at the 19. Quarterback D'Angelo Collier feeling the pressure. He dumps it off to Dondre Williams, and Williams breaks a tackle and then dives in for the touchdown. The game tied at 7. Hastings lining up for a 53-yard field goal now to take the lead, and Derek Larios will drill this one. What a kick! 53 yards, and 10-7 Hastings. In the third, Terrell Malone runs it in from the 1. It's 14-10 Hurricanes. And then it's Hightower's defense. The pass down the far sideline, intercepted by Robert Graves. The Hurricanes add a TD in the 4th, and they win 21-10.